Hey, good morning. It's Chad Newsom from PL Custom Emergency Vehicles here again for another Walkabout Wednesday. One of the things you've heard me talk about, the buck stop front bumper. I really like it on this F-Series because if you notice, air horns are nested right inside. These are the Buell air horns, but they're out of the way. And I know you would never hit anything, but if you tap something, if the air horns are sitting out, guess what? Crumple time. By having them recessed in here and they're out of the way of damage, it really makes an improvement for your durability. And again, it's something to think about. From your friends at PL Custom, have a great day. Bye-bye.